famous, brother. Fucking pleasure to meet you, bro.
You too, bro.
Wow.
I think everyone's going to strip it all out now, and then I'm going to go and sit down and edit tonight's video. So we're all doing stuff. Woo! What's going on, brother? Omar, come and show me that. When did you get that made?
A big stencil.
When did you get it made?
I got this made 2 years ago, and I stencil my cars with it.
No shit, you put it on the roof.
On the roof and stencil around it.
That's
Good photo the way.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, boy.
Can I
Here you go, Ned. Yeah, Omar's the name. Rotary's the game. I claim my fame to my age 4. Yeah, my brother. Yeah, boy. Got a midget hanging on my necklace. A rotor one. Cheer, brother.
Cleaned the plates up. That's sort of
It's looking pretty good, like.
Bucket, little bucket. Yep. Yeah, these are the work ones. Sorry. False alarm. Don't panic.
Oh, yeah.
Don't panic once in a while. Ah.
This keeps on coming out.
You can't be too sick with you have to do it. Yeah, I love it. It's no fun. Almost slippery yet. There's the top. Right, get that side bit in. Side bit in. Yeah. That's what I've got the top of that. Only going one way. Yeah. What's going on? Oh! Get around the loop. Pull it up. Put it down, turn it. Yeah. Put it on the stove now.
Good man, Storm. Good man.
That's it. Yeah.
Got a rubber.
This one here, look.
No.
The housing.
Right.
That was what?
put rubbers on the housings before?
I'm missing one corner today. Put that one in the first. One in the first. One in the first. One in the first. That's all right. Put it in the first.
So you still need more gas there.
Rotor.
So those are second hand, but they can't be very old, not used very much because they're not very stretched. I've never actually fiddled them, sweet ass.
Switch up the gear. Put the blue in the first.
This one don't reach out. Fuck, it's already locked in. What?
Oh, fuck it up. Oh, I'm already building it.
Here, get that up. I don't want to fill up. Okay.
Damn grand, dude.
Yeah, I got the hard one.
How about that?
You right with that, cock?
No.
What's in the hole?
Rear plate. Hook it on ticket.
This way,
Three bolts. Fixed two keys.
Good for another, well, probably 2,000 Ks.
Tally, what's her in the tube? Try to go middle out if you can. Like, here. It's alright, it doesn't really matter.
Oh, fuck, I didn't do the outside.
Wash your hands.
Can we slide it up so it's on the trailer? Okay. I know what what you got to do. My father's an engineer, so I've always done pistons at the age of 15. We build the engine, do the valve guide seals, lumpy cams, you name it.
I can't do any of that.
Hey, assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Alhamdulillah. Ninja car. A lot less than the old piston motor. Yeah.
You're going to be alright, huh?
Grab the ice on. Yeah. Well, it's still missed it.
Jump on there. Jump on here.
Plug in. Alright, hold down, brother. Tairua toru. Wow. Check out one couple. Check out a couple. Good.
Nice.
You want to hold him? Fatties? Whoa, don't hold on, ready? Ready?
He's doing a wheel stand.
Yeah, wait, one more.
One more.
Come on, toughies. Ready in the playground?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Hup. One more, ready?
another one.
3, 2, 1.
That's good.
Yeah, tight, eh?
I reckon then.
Yeah, no, 2 minutes. There's exactly 2 more to hook. Good.
Popping.
6 of those. Send it all for each assistant. Yeah.
Alright, lift up, Saul.
Yeah.
Yo. Do a spring washer. Ash, pass me a spring. It's going to be too.
Stop.
Guys, this is a situation. I'm here at Omar's place where I had to stay last night. I made the decision to stay last night. It's 7 o'clock on Tuesday morning. They wanted to push on and they wanted to sleep at the side of the road. They left at about 11 o'clock. I made the decision, I guess for myself, or being a little bit selfish. I thought I probably don't want to sleep at the side of the road again in the truck. So I said, Omar offered, he said, look Ash, you're more than welcome. So I came back here tonight. Slept in a really nice bed. Thank you so much, Omar.
All the way up to the junction. This is Kai Point.
Yep.
Okay. You're going all the way past Wood End.
Yep.
All the way past Waikuku. Okay. Leithville. Okay. Then Amberley. As soon as you hit Amberley, you go through Amberley and come to the junction. There's the T.
Okay, yep.
See the T intersection? You go left. And this is one junction. And on the other end of this is the other side of the junction.
This is the lineup to get the high cast. First up, there it is, it worked.
Right down to the bottom. You want a dash? Oh, it's an AX4 bumper, did you say? Dash, right? Yeah, I've got an AX4 bumper. But hey, I've got to be careful what I sell. I've got like 20 or 30 cars and so many things. The price is slowly going up, man, it's self-inflicted. You gotta
have
be
the
careful
parts
what you
to do
wish for,
cars.
Bo.
Yeah.
Only wanted like fucking one each day.